Oh my gosh, I just had the craziest dream.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yes, it was about our whole family.
I don't care.
Jeez, why are you being so rude?
Why are you being so annoying?
You calm down.
Anthony won't stop bothering me.
Anthony, go to your room. Gosh, I'm always getting in trouble because of my sister.
So why don't you just prove it's
How do you
her?
expect me to do that?
Hello, your mom said I can play your game.
No, I'm playing.
But she said I can't.
I don't care. It's my
Well,
game.
really good.
Can you get out? God.
Excuse me, young man. Why did you hit your cousin?
What? No, I didn't. Leave now and let him play.
But this.
Hey, what? I was gonna watch something.
Did I ask?
No, but that's not. God, what is your deal? You're so annoying.
Excuse
Wait,
you?
I can explain. No, you can't. All you do is start problems.
But I didn't.
I need your help.
You need help with.
Proving that my sister starts the fight.
Record it
Oh my gosh, why didn't I just...
Hey, my friend, want a drink?
Hey, no, I'm good. I'm 18.
So have you been, my friend?
Good. I actually have to...
I remember changing your diapers every minute. You got them so big.
Yeah,
You want to fight, huh? You're not that
What?
big.
No, I'm
Come on,
good.
1 round. I'll go easy.
He wants to fight behind me. Hello? What are you doing? Just hanging out. Well, can you go in your room? No, this isn't just your house. God, you're so annoying. This is why no one likes me. I caught you, Dad. Come here.
What do you want?
I have video proof that she started the fight and not me.
I don't care. All you do is purposely annoy your sister so you can get a reaction. Go to your
But I
room.
literally have... I give up, honestly. I'll never be able to get my sister in trouble.
Why don't you just call your grandma? Mine always
Oh my
helps.
gosh, you're right! Why are you so happy? Oh, no reason. Well, give me the remote. No, I was here first. Okay, Dad, come here.
What's wrong?
Anthony's starting problems.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... Get out while you still